Hi students, this is Sivaprasad. Today I am explaining about fundamentals of chemistry. To explain the fundamentals of chemistry, we have to practice 1 to 30 elements. And after getting 1 to 30 elements, we have to look at about electronic configuration. Here electronic configuration means the systematic arrangement of electrons in different orbitals is considered as electronic configuration. In the electronic configuration, we have to follow Euler's diagram. So based on Euler's diagram only, we can write the electronic configuration. Look at the Euler's diagram. In Euler's diagram, in first energy level only 1s orbital, second energy level 2s and 2p orbitals, in third energy level 3s, 3p, 3d orbitals, fourth energy level 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f orbitals, fifth energy level 5s, 5p, 5d and 5f. So sixth energy level 6s, 6p, 6d, seventh energy level 7s and 7p, and eighth energy level 8s orbital only. So this is the arrangement of Euler's diagram. And to write the electronic configuration, here we may fill number of electrons in s orbital is 2 only. In p orbital 6, d orbital 10 and f orbital 14. And write the electronic configuration, first of all we are filling 1s orbital. After 1s, electrons enter in 2s orbital. Then after entering in 2s level, electrons enter in 2p, then 3s. After 3s, electrons enter in 3p, then 4s. After 4s, electrons enter in 3d, 4p and 5s. After 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s. And like this. This is the Euler's diagram. To write the electronic configuration of any element, we should follow this order. Look at now. First element is hydrogen. Hydrogen symbol is H. Its electronic configuration just 1s1. Here only already we have discussed about. In s orbital maximum we have to fill 2 electrons. In p orbital maximum we have to fill 6 electrons. D orbital maximum we can fill 10 electrons, and f orbital we may fill 14 electrons. So this is the fixed value of number of electrons in different orbitals. Look at now. First we have to start 1s onwards. So in 1s orbital we should fill in s orbital maximum 2 electrons only. That's a hydrogen atomic number is 1. That's why hydrogen having only one s1 configuration. Second element is helium. Helium symbol is Hg. Its electronic configuration 1s2. Third element lithium. Symbol is Li. After filling 2 electrons in s orbital, then electrons enter in 2s level. That's why for lithium 1s2 and 2s1 electronic configuration will be coming. We don't write 1s3. This is wrong because s orbital is having maximum 2 electrons only. That's why lithium electronic configuration 1s2 and 2s1 only. Fourth element is beryllium. Its symbol is B. Its electronic configuration 1s2 and also 2s2. Fifth element is boron. Its symbol is B. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. After filling 2s, then electrons enter in 2p level. So 2p1 will come. Sixth element is carbon. Its symbol is C. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p also 2. In p orbital we may fill maximum 6 electrons. That's why after 2s2 then electrons are entering in 2p level. That's why 2p also 2 will be coming. Look at, to calculate the valency of any element, we will take its electronic configuration here. The combining capacity of an element is known as its valency. Hydrogen valency is 1 because it has only 1 electron. Helium is a noble gas and also it has paired electrons. That's a helium having one pair of electrons. Here helium is the smallest size element and it is inert gas. That's why it does not release the electrons. So we don't remove the electrons from helium. So it is not easy to remove electrons from helium. That's why helium having 2 electrons. The 2 electrons are considered as duplet electrons. That's why these electrons are more stable, and also helium is a noble gas and monoatomic gas. Helium valency is 0. Why helium valency is 0? Because it is a noble gas, monoatomic gas, which cannot participate in chemical bond formations due to in its inert nature. That's why helium valency is 0. Lithium having two shells. First shell is having 2 electrons and second shell is having only 1 electron. That's why the valency of lithium is 1. And in case of beryllium, 1s2, 2s2. It is also having 2 electrons in its valence shell. Already it is having 2 electrons in first energy level. Second energy level having 2 electrons. That's why these 2 electrons can split. Because here also 2p is there but no electrons. That's why this electron pair will be releasing out. So the valency of beryllium is 2. Boron valence shell electrons. So 2s and 2p, entire this electronic configuration is its valence shell electronic configuration. That's why the valency of boron is 3. Carbon is having 4 valence shell electrons. That's why the valency of carbon is 4. We know already about octet rule. In case of any chemical species is having 8 electrons in its valence shell, it becomes stable. That's why most of the elements are trying to attain octet configuration. For getting octet configuration, some of the elements are losing electrons and some of the elements are gaining electrons and some of the elements are mutually sharing their electrons. Finally, for attaining stability only. So according to stability rule, carbon valency is 4. Next, 7th element, nitrogen. Nitrogen symbol is N. It is also we can call inert in nature. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Nitrogen has 5 valence shell electrons. So it has 5 valence shell electrons. That's why already it has 5 electrons. To get octet, octa means 8 electrons in its valence shell. Already nitrogen having 5 electrons. If it gains 3 electrons, it becomes stable. That's why here even nitrogen has 5 electrons in its valence shell, but s orbital is having a pair. This pair is little bit stable, and p orbital is having 3 unpaired electrons. Nitrogen has 1 pair. This is called lone pair, and 3 unpaired electrons are there. These 3 unpaired electrons are participating in chemical bond formation and they are forming 3 bond pairs. That's why nitrogen valency is 3. Look at oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Its valency. Oxygen is having 6 electrons in its valence shell. So that's why it has already 6 electrons. To get octet configuration, how many it requires? Just 2 electrons. That's why the valency of oxygen is 2. Fluorine having 7 valence shell electrons. So it needs only 1 electron. That's why valency of fluorine is 1. Neon is having actually 2s2, 2p6 configuration. In s level it has a pair and in p level it has 3 pair of electrons. So no unpaired electrons in neon. That's why it is a noble gas, no unpaired electrons in its valence shell. That's why the valency of neon is 0. It is a noble gas. All the noble gases are also called as 0 group elements because their valency, electron negativity, electron affinity values are 0. Due to these reasons, noble gases are calling 0 group elements. Sodium atomic number is 11. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. It has only 1 electron in its valence shell. That's why the valency of sodium is 1. Sodium, actually symbol is Na. Why symbol of sodium is Na? Actually it has a Latin name. Its old name that is called natrium. Its old name is natrium. Current name is sodium. So it has 1 valency. Magnesium, Mg. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So it has 2 electrons in its valence shell. That's why the valency of magnesium is 2. 13th one is aluminum. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1. It has 3 electrons in its valence shell. So the valency of aluminum is 3. Silicon atomic number is 14. It has 14 electrons. In its valence shell, 3s2, 3p2 configuration is there. So 4 electrons are there in its valence shell. That's why the valency of silicon is 4. And in case of phosphorus, 3s2, 3p3 configuration. It has 5 electrons. So after 3s2, 3p3, then it has 3d also. 3d orbital also is vacant. That's why electrons will be splitting from 3s orbital to 3d orbital. That's why phosphorus can exhibit valency 3, 5. Phosphorus can exhibit valency 3, 5. But actually it has already 5 electrons. That's why if it gains 3 electrons, it becomes stable. So phosphorus having variable valency element. Why phosphorus exhibiting 3, 5 valencies? Because look at in its valence shell 3s2, 3p3 and 3d 0. In 3s level 1 pair, 3p level 3 unpaired electrons and 3D also vacant orbital. So this is a phosphorus electronic configuration. So here paired electrons are there. This pair of electron is moving to 3s orbital to 3d orbital. Here in phosphorus having 2 electrons. So lone pair of electrons in 3s level. So one of the electron can be transferred from 3s level to 3d level. Then it has 5 unpaired electrons. It has 5 unpaired electrons. That's why the valency of phosphorus is 5. In this case, phosphorus is having 3 unpaired electrons. So valence of phosphorus is 3 in ground state electronic configuration. In the excited state electronic configuration, phosphorus is having 5 unpaired electrons. That's why the valence of phosphorus is 5. So phosphorus is variable valency element. It exhibits valency 3, 5. 16th element is sulfur. Look at the electronic configuration of the sulfur. 1s2, 2s2, 6, 3s2, 3p4. It has 6 electrons in its valence shell. Already it has 6 electrons. That's why to get octet configuration it requires 2 electrons only. That's why the valency of sulfur is 2. And not only 2, here in 3s, 3p and 3d orbital also vacant. That's why electrons will be splitting from 3s orbital to 3d, 3p orbital to 3d. That's why sulfur can exhibit valencies 2, 4 and also 6. So sulfur is also called variable valency element. It exhibits valency 2, 4, and 6. Next, 17th one is chlorine. 1s2, 2s2, 6, 3s2, 3p5. It has 7 electrons in its valence shell. So it exhibits generally one valence. Not only valency 1. Chlorine can exhibit other valencies because it has vacant d orbitals. That's why here paired s and p orbital electrons are moving into d orbitals. So it exhibits valencies 3, 5 and 7. Next element is argon. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 6, 3s2, 3p6. It has 8 electrons in its valence shell. It is a noble gas and also valency is 0. Potassium, atomic number 19, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. It has only 1 electron in its valence shell. That's why valency of potassium is 1. Calcium, atomic number 20. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. Its valency is 2. Hi students, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.